Whoa! What is that? What is that?
No, you can't jump on it.
You can sit on it. Can you get all the way up on it and lay down with Colonel? Yeah, that's what we'll be doing all night. Get all the way up on it. Climb all the way on it. You're a goofball. Climb up on
Can
it.
you climb on that bed?
Wow, that's a really cool bed, John.
Look. You can climb up on it, you can lay down.
Wow, do you want to sleep in that bed tonight?
And put a blanket on, and I'll read you a story. Can you hand me the